Hey guys, today when I was live streaming, I got a message about somebody asking me how they can use restream.io to live stream. This new trend that people are jumping into live streaming. Like me, I'm not using it, but just simply because of that request, I need to do that tutorial to be able to help my viewers, my followers to be able to live stream, because live stream, it gives that 4,000 watch hour that we are looking for. I won't lie to you. Yes, you can get it if you can be able to get a video to live stream and then can bring in what can make people to retain on your channel. You will get that watch hour. So today, without wasting much of our time, that is what we are going to talk about, and I'm going to show you how you are going to use the live stream restream.io to live stream to your channel. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So without wasting most of our time, let's get right into it. We are now in my phone. As you can see, the first thing that you should do, make sure you have already find a video that you want to use. If you don't know where to get a video, go to your download pixel on your phone. You see, you can see pixel. I will write the website I will write the name px. Okay, then make sure you download it. Once you download it, it will be easy for you to get a video. Just type any video that you want to use. Anything you downloaded from this place is copyright free. You don't have to, you will not get strike from YouTube. Just know you want to, let's for example, maybe you want to do maybe because Christmas is coming, you want to do a Christmas, you want to show a Christmas video. It's you can show animal, you can show octopus, you can show anything that comes to your mind, or you have make a research on that you want to, you just type it here, it will come. Like me, I'm thinking of a Christmas. Okay, just type it here, Christmas. It's okay, just type Christmas, and the next thing you are supposed to go is you go to this place here, is video. You tap on the video, so you can choose any video that you want, but this one, because it's giving me horizontal, I don't want horizontal, I want vertical. So I will go out again, I'll go and look for Christmas. I will type another thing. Okay, so let me say I'm typing raining. Maybe it's raining, the weather is cold. Okay, so I will type on it, then I'll go to video. You choose video that is vertical. You can see like this vertical video. Okay, I will just download one. I will just download any one, then it will just save to my phone. So I already have it on my phone already. And if you want to download, just type here to download. Just click up here to download. When you click here, you click download here. Just type it, tap on it. Okay, you choose 1080 by 1080 by 9020. That's what you should choose. Okay, you tap on it, you just click on download here, and it will download to your phone. Okay, we leave it there. Then the second step that you are going to do is you go to my Safari here, and I will type restream.io, as you can see it here. So I click on go, so it will be loading. So you click on it, and it will be loading. When it's open like this, it will ask you to connect your account, simply because I've not done it before. Normally me, I do my silent live streaming with my computer, so that my phone can be useful to do another thing. And then some people do with their phone in the night, so you can decide to do it anytime you want. It's your choice. Okay, so I will connect it with my Google account, not my Gmail account, not my YouTube account. Now my normal Google account. So I will type on it, and tap on continue with Google. Then you now choose which Google do you want to use. I will choose my normal Gmail account. Then when you choose it, you come to continue. Okay, when you click on continue, it will now take you back to the application. So you can see this is how the application look like. You have connected it. The first thing you first of all need to do is to connect your YouTube account now. So once you want to connect, you click on this place here. Okay, when you click on this place, you scroll down here, you see channel. Because I've already connected my channel, you tap on it and it bring you here. You click on, if I have not connected anything, nothing will be here. Okay, I've connected it before I start this video. Okay, so then you click on this add channel. You will see different platform here. then click on YouTube and follow the one that you can follow the prompt. It will just take you to allow, and then you finish it. That's what you need to do. So no stress yourself. Then I go back again outside. So now that I've connected my account, what I'm going to do is you're coming here to click on this new stream. So when you click on this new stream, simply because we are doing the second step, the first step is you will have gone to your Pixel and download a video. Okay, that's the first step. Okay, so the second step is what we are working on. So you come to this video file here. Okay, because it's the one that we have already put on our video on our phone that wants to use. So when you tap there, to bring you this face, what you are going to do, you are going to upload your video, the one that you want to use. Because you tap on upload video, you go to your video library and you choose one video. Okay, you choose just one video there, and then I've already downloaded video of a rain. Then you come up here and tap add up here, then wait for it. You see it's loading, and then you can give it a name. My own is raining. Okay, then you add description. If you don't have description is optional, so it's not really necessary. Okay, so you choose on then go live, and then you choose your time that you want to go live. Let's say 8 o'clock. Let's say 8 o'clock. Okay, so you click on done, and so you click on next down here. When you click on next, as you can see that if you have added your account, this is what you are going to see here. Okay, this is what you are going to see. What you need to do is to toggle this on, off, on. You toggle it on, you tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can come to this edit here. You tap on edit, so you can be able to write whatever you wanted to write. Like me, I don't want to make it public just because of this. I'm doing it just because of this video training. Okay, you can add thumbnail. Okay, I want to replace this thumbnail. Then I click on replace. If you want to replace the thumbnail, you see here, just tap on replace and put any thumbnails there for yourself. Okay, I'm just putting the one that we used before, just for the purpose of this training. Okay, back. So you click on crop if you want. If not, we have done. Then we go back. Our thumbnail is there. So if it didn't allow you to put thumbnail, continue. Okay, see, I've already added my thumbnail. So what I'll do is you come back down here and click on save. So my thumbnail is there now. Okay, so after we allow you to load, and after you have load, then you come down here and click on create event. It will allow you to load. So you scroll down, so you can see that I've already created my event. So what you are going to do is you look for a way to enter the studio. You can see here, this is enter studio. So you tap on enter your studio, putting everything together. So let's wait for this is me, my name, this is Gani. Then you will now click again, enter studio, again, enter studio. So you can decide to live stream with a different style design. Okay, you can decide to live stream with one. Like me, I want only one. Okay, so this is what I want, only me. I don't only do what I want, not with me. I don't want me on there. Okay, so the next thing that you are going to do is you are coming here to add scene. Click on add scene. So from your scene, you come to the media, because you know you have already had something. So you come to media to choose something. After you click that media, it will show you add source. Okay, so when you see add source, tap on the add source, so that you can add the video that we have already clicked before, we have already added. Okay, so when you say add source, so because you have bring our video already, so you come to this video here, you choose video. So you are going to choose the video that we have added before. So tap on the video to bring it there. So you can see that the video is there now. So you can see. So now that the video is there, what you are going to do is you are coming to three, tap on it, bring it up. So tap on it. You see this three dots. You need to tap on it. If you don't tap on it, you will not see that three. Where is it? If you do not tap on it, you will not see these three dots. You must tap on it to see these three dots. So it's these three dots that will now have different options: loop video, maximize, replace, and hide. Being that you want to loop means that the video will play until you are ready to stop it by yourself. So you click on loop. So you have choose loop. So it has different options So this is option 1. If you want to see how it's going, this is you. Then option, this is your video. If you want to bring your video, this is option 2. Option 2 is your message. If you want to be showing the messages, that the chats of people on your screen, you can add it if you want. It's an option. Then the option 3 here is if you want to add a lower third lower layer on it. Maybe you want to put like, thank you for joining, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit a subscribe button. Okay, so it is you that you will choose it. Then this one is another default theme. It has different way that if you want it any way around, you want to bring it something. So this is that, and this is another QR code to scan an image to bring it if you want to bring something in there. And I don't think we want to, if you want to privatize if it's with another person. And this one is the music. You can customize your music, but for the purpose of this, I don't think we need all that one, because it's a silent and stream. It's you that you decide. But make sure that you do not stream more than 11 hours 50 seconds. Okay, make sure you do not stream more than that, because with that it can make you to lose your hours. So make sure you do not stream more than that. That is a tip for you from me, because you are my viewer, and you watch to this level. That is why you get that. So everything has finished, and the next thing you are going to do is just to click on this go live. So when you want, it's asking me to put another title again. Then you can put raining, because it's raining that wants to put. Then you put raining. And description, as I said, description is optional. You can put description, you can if you like, don't put. Then click on next. So when you click on next, I come back to this place again and on this edit now. Okay, I turn it. This place must be on, because if it is not on, it will be off, and it means you are not ready to stream. So since you are ready to stream, and then the next thing is you can click on this edit and check whether everything is up. Let me re-upload my thumbnail. So I have it there now. So the thumbnail is there. So I take it back. What happened? Why is my thumbnail not coming up? Let me put another one. Okay, crop anyone I want. Show restream. Yes, show it. So I click on crop so that you can be able to fit in. Okay, so then you click on save. Then after you have done all that one, the thumbnail is very important. You know, if you watch my today's early live stream I did on how to get your first 1,000 subscriber, and I give you the tips of what you are going to do there. Okay, I told you an eye-catching thumbnail is very important. So make sure you have created your thumbnail before you start all this down, so that then the next thing is click on start streaming. See, it's counting 2 3 1 go, and we are live. So let's go and check our live now. So I will now take you back to my channel now. So for my channel, I will go from here, YouTube channel start dashboard. So if this how to navigate it on your phone, then you come to continue. That is the type of YouTube. You type studio.youtube.com and you continue to studio. Don't use app, because it will not show on your app. Then you type on continue to studio. You want to go and check that restream, whether it is working. And then the next thing you are going to do is you come here. You come to this content here, this number 2, number 1, number 2. We all know how to get there. Then you come to your live here. You can see this live here. That is this live here. Just tap on it, so I can bring you all the lives that you have on your channel. So you can see that I am live. You see, so I will tap on it to enter to go and check it. You see, excellent connection. This is good for people that use phone to do everything. So you can see I am there. You see, so we can choose the one that does not have this. They have different things that you can choose from. Okay, so you can see it is live and it's going. It can go as long as you want it to go. Okay, so that's it. I go back to the app now, and then you can see that is live, and it's so easy to follow. So follow it step by step. Don't miss any points. Okay, So if you want to end it now, this is how you are going to end it. You come down here, okay, you can see end stream down here, okay. That's how you are going to end your stream. Just tap on the end stream and then click on OK, and voila. My name is Gani and this is Grow with Gani. In case you want me to do any video on anything, please put it in the comment section. As you see from the, you will hear from the beginning that I made video based on your request. This request, I got it this afternoon that I was doing live. Then I decided to film it immediately today again. Watch the next video that you will see on your screen, okay? Because it's going to help you to continue growing in your channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.